Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering up and signing in with your school Google account. This links apps, Drive, and settings. Once connected, join the campus Wi-Fi. Make sure you enter the correct network password or select the captive portal login. Enable sync so your bookmarks, passwords, and extensions are preserved across devices. This prevents lost work. Also turn on two-step verification if your school requires it, because it protects your account. Now you have a secured, synced profile and can move to installing tools. Next, you install and configure the tools you need. Use Google Play or the Chrome Web Store to add Classroom, Docs, Sheets, and any school-provided apps. Install only required extensions to keep things fast. Once done, organize the launcher. Create folders, pin your top apps, and arrange shortcuts so your workflow is instant. Make sure to enable offline access for critical Drive files and set automatic updates for apps and the OS. That way you avoid interruptions during class and keep performance smooth. Finally, confirm hardware and backups so you're ready for class. Test the camera and microphone in a quick Google Meet and print a sample page to verify the printer. Backup assignments to Drive and use a consistent file naming convention like course date assignment to find work fast. If something goes wrong, start by rebooting and checking Wi-Fi, then clear problematic extensions or try guest mode. As a last resort, use Power Wash to restore factory settings only after you've backed up everything to Drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.